Researcher Susan Schuppli went as far as recording the sound of melting ice in order to understand the freshwater system and the impacts of climate change. Here we have Susan's ice records. Susan has been working with communities, glaciologists, environmentalists, exploring the effects of climate change on glaciers through sound recording. Susan recorded in glacial fields such as Ladakh in the Himalayas, the Athabasca Glaciers in Canada, and Svalbard in Norway, capturing crackling and fracturing sound of melting ice. Sound recording of melting glacier tell us about the environmental conditions of the year when they are frozen, such as moisture content, temperature, and air pressure, but as they melt, this information is lost forever.